it's Leah. So I'm back with another YouTube channel. Here is my pet unicorn. I know she's not real, but she's one of my best friends because I have no. Yes, so here is my new room I just got. So yes, very cool. So welcome back to the fidget spinner world. It's Leah. So you want to see, I know you guys have been asking, how many Shuckins do I own? Well, according to this poster, I have about, from season 2, I only have 2 of them. Season 2, you get it. Okay, so here it is. So, oh wait, dang it, I can't find it. 1 second. Okay, found it. I have Honey. This is how it looks. This is like the whole poster. It's really cool. Really cool, okay. Well, yeah, I've been getting, and this is a tour of my room. So, yeah, I'm going to go show you it. So this is my part of my dresser. This is my lava lamp. I'll turn it on for you guys. So this is my lava lamp. Really cool, I know. So yeah, there's my Christmas tree. This is my box with things that I own. This is all my stuff. So yeah, oh, and here's a special announcement. This is my first YouTube video, if you can see. I would like about a lot of subscribers. And like this video, subscribe, click the bell button so you can be notified on what I post every. Yeah. So go watch more of my videos. Bye. And have a fidget spinny life.